Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
Karcher pressure washers.
Number 5.
Works WO 7046 Hydroshop Dual Charger. First truly portable power cleaner that lets you easily and quickly clean and maintain all your outdoor spaces and gear. Attaches to typical garden hose or draws water from any fresh water source like a bucket, pool or lake. Dual mode operation lets you quickly switch between cleaning and watering tasks. Cordless, lightweight and compact, delivers 5 spray angles including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees. Kit includes 2 batteries with a dual charger for back-to-back use. Share battery across multiple works tools within the 20V.
Number 4.
Sunjo SBX 2598 2000C 1.65 GPM. Powerful, 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2000C max/1.65 GPM to demolish every last bit of dirt. TSS, Total Stop System, technology, automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy. Adjustable pressure, adjustable spray wand with twist nozzle easily controls water pressure to tackle. Detergent tank, fill at 33.8. Onboard tank with your detergent of choice. Versatile. Conveniently wheel your pressure washing powerhouse from one dirty job to the next auto deck.
Number 3.
Sunjo SBX 3000 red pressure, powerful motor, powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030. Versatile, tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks. TSS, Total Stop System, automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to. Quick Connect spray tips, 5 quick connect spray tips. Dual detergent tanks, 209L on board, removable tanks carry.
Number 2.
Powerhouse International Electric High Power, powerful air electric pressure washer 3000C and 2.2 GPM, better than a gas pressure. Accessories: turbo and angle nozzles, patio surface cleaner, soap foam sprayer. Flexible hose. The hose has 30% more flexibility than our previous model. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 superscript O, 15 superscript O, 25 superscript O, 40 superscript O in watering for car washing. Universal spray gun. This washer has 2 stainless steel lances, 1 proprietary and 1 with 5 tips, and it is universal.
Number 1.
Karcher K354012OV electric power pressure. Patented water-cooled motor lasts up to 5x longer. Bonus $30 Dirt Blaster Spray Wand boosts cleaning power by up to 80%. Quickly switch from detergent to high-pressure spray with the included Vario Power Wand. Lab tests prove Karcher nozzle technology delivers the quickest, most thorough cleaning. Patented, maintenance-free non-corrosive Encore pump.